Hello, you are most welcome to the Technical Pathfinder, the Learning Center. Here I bring some more problems from previous PSUs to solve only for you. So let's begin. In first problem, he is asking stepper motor are widely used for which type of motors or which type of system. It is used for wide range of speed or for large rating or for no need of field control where field control is not required. And option D is asking compatibility with digital system, and in option E that it is used where robust and cheap requirement is there. So stepper motor has its property that it is compatible with digital systems. In next question, a two-phase servo motor and control system uses which type of rotor? Drag cup, cylindrical, squirrel cage, slip ring with internal low rotor resistance or salient pole rotor. So option A is correct. Drag cup rotor is used in two-phase servo motors. In next question, which one of the following type is most suitable for computer drive? So we know that which motor is suitable? It is stepper motor. Option D is correct. A capacitor start single phase induction motor used for easy start load, medium start load, hard start load, at any type of load or not applicable for starting load. So we know that capacitor is used in single phase induction motor to make the auxiliary and main current angle phase angle difference equal to 90 degree. So as much the phase angle difference is there, torque is higher. So starting torque we need more when we require capacitor start single phase induction motor. So answer is hard starting load because torque requirement is more in the applications where we use capacitor start single phase induction motor. In next question, for this is a numerical of stepper motor for 1.8 degree step angle, two phase bipolar stepper motor, stepping rate is 100 steps per second. He is asking the rotational speed in RPM, rotation per minute. So speed can be find like this: theta into stepping rate divided by total angle is 360 degree. It is 1.8 into 100. Stepping rate given is 100 steps per second divided by 360. So it is equal to 1 by 2 rotation per second. So we get half rotation per second in a stepping motor when stepping rate is 100 steps per second and stepping angle is 1.8 degree. So he is asking in rotation per minute, so we multiplied by 60 here. So answer is 30 in rotation per minute. In next question, in a single phase induction motor driving a fan load, reason for having high starting rotor is to achieve high starting torque. High starting rotor resistance is used to achieve the quick acceleration or high starting torque. Low starting torque is wrong. If the option is high starting torque, this is also correct, and high starting torque is used for quick acceleration, so option B is correct. Next one is numerical question from stepper motor. Three phase 3 stack variable reluctance motor has 20 poles on each rotor or stator stack. Step angle of the stepper motor is, so it is a multiple stack variable reluctance motor. For single stack, theta is find by using the formula 360 by m into nr, where m is number of phase and nr is the number of slots in rotor. So 360 by 3 into 20, it is 6 degree for single stack, and for multi stacks, suppose it is 3 stack is given, so it is multiplied by 3, so step angle is 18 degree. In next question, in hand tool application, which one of the following single phase motor is used? So for hand tool, AC motor is used. This is also numerical question. We have to find the EMF induced in conductor of machine driven at 600 rpm. Peak value of flux density is 1 Weber per meter square and diameter of machine is 2 meter. So the radius is 1 meter. Length of the machine is 0.3 meter. So EMF formula is NBA by dt, where n is the number of slots. So each conductor have 2 slots and area is defined by pi r square L. It is a cylindrical area. B is the flux density and dt is the time period to cover one revolution. It is 60 by ns. So using this formula, 2 into pi r is 1 square into 0.3 is the length of the machine into flux density is 1 divided by time period is 60 by ns is speed is 600. So the result is 6 pi or it is equal to 18.84 volt. It is the EMF induced in the conductor. In next question, when the excitation of the normally operating unloaded salient pole synchronous motor suddenly get disconnected, it continues as. So it is a synchronous motor. Synchronous motor have two types of power. One is excitation power and second one is reluctance power. So when excitation is gone, only reluctance power is obtained, and synchronous motor is salient pole type, so we get the variable reluctance motor. Option D is correct. So that is for now, and we will cover next 10 problems in next video. Thanks for watching, and if anyone have doubt then he can ask in comment section.